Hi friends, good morning. Recently, the Supreme Court directed the government and all the banks to credit back the compound interest levied on the all the loans up to the 2 crore between March 1st to till August 31st. We all of us know that there is a pandemic induced financial crisis. Henceforth, it is highly impossible for the various borrowers to make their repayment back to the bank. For that, RBI announced to avail this moratorium period for the various borrowers. Among that, the various borrowers have opted full-time moratorium period for a 6 month, and few borrowers have opted partial moratorium period, and others have not opted at all. So now the apex court, that is the top court, Supreme Court, directed the government to provide or to remove or to credit back this compound interest to the all the borrower. But later government demanded 1 month time to carry out all these procedure. But Supreme Court told the Deepavali of a common man is in the government hand. Henceforth, to make it very speedy, the hearing was took place on October 14 and directed the government to credit back all the difference between the simple and a compound interest should be credited back to the all the borrowers. Then, which all are the loans are eligible for this scheme? First one you can consider home loan, education loan, then personal loan, MSME loan, that is micro, small, medium enterprises loan, then automobile vehicles loan, then consumer durables loan. Even the credit card is also under the ambit of this moratorium scheme. And who all are the eligible? The borrower whose aggregate loan should not exceed more than the 2 crore are eligible for this scheme. I mean, irrespective of whether they have opted for the moratorium, whether it is a partially, fully, or even it is applicable for those who have not at all applied for this moratorium period. So by November 5th, 5, all the bank has to return back, credit back the difference amount of this compound interest as well as the difference amount that is compound and a simple interest. Whatever the amount comes, that amount should be credited back to the borrower's loan. Then who all are the eligible for this scheme? First one, the account which is not under the NPA, that is the account which is not treated as a NPA are eligible for this scheme. NPA is nothing but non-performing asset. The borrower who have not made a repayment more than within a 19 days. I mean, if he has not made a repayment to the bank in the last 3 months, that account can be considered as the NPA. So the NPA account is not eligible for this scheme. This is a first thing. And as I told, all the borrower whose loan the aggregate outstanding should not cross more than the 2 crore. These all are the two criteria to avail this benefit. So ultimately, all the banks, they are going to credit back the difference amount between the compound and the simple interest. Whatever how much it will come, that would be credited back by the bank to all the borrowers, as I told, with respect the along with the condition applied. They will get their difference amount between the simple and the compound interest by November 5 as a festival respite. So this is a big announcement from the government, and avail this benefit to celebrate Diwali. So wishing you advance Diwali to all the borrowers, and Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the latest updated information on this scheme. Thank you.